At Restoration Affiliates, we know that how you respond to unforeseen events defines your success. That's why we developed the Ready Action Plan software, a mobile and desktop-based emergency preparedness and facility management software built for property owners and managers. Ready Action Plan is a comprehensive tool that acts as a storage base for facility information. It also serves as an emergency response plan and communication tool with the ability to reach internal and external contacts when disaster strikes. RAP allows clients and partners to handle various situations by empowering them with the knowledge to mitigate damages that may occur. Having up-to-date information at your fingertips also makes it easier to stay on the same page with your team and vendor partners, even in the event of staffing changes, and gives you access to critical information at any moment via our always accessible app. Its easy-to-navigate software is accessible on any internet-enabled device and breaks key information into 5 tabs that users can access at the bottom of the screen, including building information, contact information, site plans, document storage, and photo storage. Do you or your employees need basic building information about the properties that they manage? The Building Information tab stores addresses, number of units, type of construction, and more. How do employees know who they should contact if an emergency happens? How do they know which vendors are approved for work on the site? The Contact tab conveniently sorts information into internal and external lists to make connecting with vital stakeholders quick and easy. You can even send messages via email or text directly from the app. Have you ever needed to shut off water, gas, or power and struggled to locate the proper shutoff? Site plans can be uploaded and augmented with interactive hotspots that indicate the location of system controls like water shutoff, electrical panels, and more. Do you need access to your emergency disaster plans and documents while on the run? Would it be helpful to store general condition photos or other photos of each property for reference? Critical documents are stored in an individual tab so you can quickly access items like disaster and evacuation plans, insurance policies, safety data sheets, maintenance schedules, warranties, and more. And the Photo tab keeps track of attached photos that are utilized in the app and serves as a repository for important reference images. Ready Action Plan is secure and all information is encrypted. Plus, the software allows you to provide users access to information based on tiered security levels. Recovering after a disaster isn't a given, but you can plan for success. Protect your assets and recover from an emergency faster, easier, and safer than ever before with Restoration Affiliates' Ready Action Plan software.
To learn more, contact a representative at Oklahoma Disaster Restoration at okdisaster.com.